There are different type of data types. We have the numbers like 1, 2, 3. We also have the string, which is hello world, just like we used in the alert. We put the word into a string, but this string is not rendered as code, but it's just a message. And then we have a Boolean, which is true or false. Let's try in the console and test this data types out. If you go to your Google Chrome, you can go to inspect. Once you've opened up the developers tool, you can go to console. Once you're in console, we can use the numbers to, our console can add or subtract. We can do math with our console, like we can say 3 plus. We can do math with our console, like we can say 3 plus 2, and we press enter, which will give us 5. As we can use the alert function to pop up something in our window, we can also use another function called type of, and this type of will tell us the type of data types we have. We can use type of to find out the kind of data type we have. So if we use type of here and put a string inside the brackets, let's press enter, we can see that the type of what we have inside the bracket is a string. We can also write type of, and inside the brackets we can use false or true. Once we use type of, we can see here that we have a Boolean. You can see the type of what we have inside the bracket is a Boolean. We can also do type of, and we write numbers inside the brackets, and if we click enter, you can see we have a type of number. You know, with the string, we put a string inside with the word, which is the message, which is a string. But when it comes to type of Boolean, we only add the false or true inside the brackets, which shows up to be a Boolean with no exclamation mark. Even with numbers also, we don't add exclamation mark because it's a number, and we can see it gives us type of numbers. So that's it for data types.